Hello everybody, here's my latest piece. It's a lobster. As you can see, he's daintily walking along the seabed. I've created a sort of iconography of underwater flora that's not in any way meant to be real, and I like the way that the coral blends in and that you don't see everything at first, because I think it's like that when you're underwater. And then we've got a starfish here, complementary colours of course, orange with the turquoise, and then because of that I've counterbalanced that in the marini, and best of all in his little balletic shoes as he walks along the seabed. I'm really pleased with this and the daintiness of him. There's been a lot of talk about crustaceans lately, and there's been a crustaceans day to try and help save them, and they've been breeding the lobsters and setting them back in the wild. So, you know, we need to think about these things. Anyway, there he is, and as always there's an accompanying verse which goes like this: the lobster. I'm really rather passive for a lobster, but I have a temper a lot like a mobster. So the one thing that I really dread is getting boiling mad and turning bright red.